Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Boxy Charm.
Yay.
So I did get this today, so we're filming some day. Hopefully I can upload it.
And I'm Ipsy, but we're going to do back-to-back videos, and Boxy Charm will be going up first, as far as we know.
So open it, looks like that, and then I will give her the little card.
Thank you.
That's funny, I still have
You get a
this
palette in there. This is the Oasis.
Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Benefits the Professional Pore Primer.
Which was one of my favorites. It says, quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply the silky lightweight balm alone or under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals and retails for $32. And it looks like it's a full size.
And then this is Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. Pretty
filtered.
filter.
Yeah.
I was trying to see how you put it on because this is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So is it like a moisturizer or is it like...
No, that's what it says. I mean, what you just read, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm.
It's not like another primer, right?
Ultimate glow that lasts through the day. I don't know. I think you'd put it on after your moisturizer just for like some shine or I don't know. We'll have to look into that. It's $32 for the full size, which again, that makes me think it's a full size. It's pretty big.
Point does tell you the weight or the
no, not on that, but
yeah. And then the next thing I'm pulling out is QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream.
And that retails for $132 for a full size. It says a nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes with this multi-action formulation featuring natural firming extracts and intensely moisturizing ingredients. Intensive eye care provides targeted treatment to the delicate skin of the eye zone. Its rich, nurturing texture is both gentle and highly effective in helping to reduce fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness.
Okay,
I can barely get that all out. That was a lot.
Next thing, I don't know if it's I can't read what the company name is. Beau? Is it Beau, Edith? Or is it
Beauty? Beauty
well,
Vault?
it says Beauty Vault. Okay, yeah. There it does. Oh, wait, no, it says Beauty Vault right there, too. Duh. Okay, this is Circadian Lip Liner Trio.
And it says, our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides on and blends easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing and retails for $18 for full size.
I'm like, I should see about that. No. Anyway, okay. And then the last thing, I believe, is the palette, like she mentioned, which is...
It's really pretty on the outside.
Zoeva, and then Naturally Yours,
Zova, but we don't know.
Well, I could open the plastic and then, right? I mean,
yeah. I mean,
because how can we show what, I mean... Who knows what it looks like inside.
And it says, this palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades and tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. These eyeshadows feature a formulation rich with vitamin E, and it's $28 for the full palette, if I didn't say that already.
Okay.
It's really
so if there's
on the
pretty
outside.
pinks, then I might want to keep it.
Plastic
Otherwise,
down. Hopefully there's plastic.
Yeah, there is.
There is plastic. I feel like we've gotten ones like that in the past.
So these are a lot of like neutral nude kind of colors.
Yeah.
Anyway, but it looks like that. Naturally Yours. Well, I guess that's why it says Naturally Yours, is because they're like nudes and natural looking colors.
It is pretty though. So you're saying it might go to giveaway. You're just not sure
yet.
Okay.
Yeah. Most likely it probably will.
And this box, you said it went up a little bit in price, right?
I think it's at 26
But you're getting
now.
pretty good size items. I feel like they're all either full size or close to full size. Maybe not the little one.
And
I'm
pretty
not
good
sure.
items, so that's good.
But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our giveaway link that we'll put down below for our current giveaway video. And for all our future giveaway videos, you need to be subscribed to know about those when we're doing them. And we'll catch you in our next one.
Take care.
Bye.